Hello, you are on ИнстаФорекс TV channel and you are watching Forex-трейдинг calendar with me, Екатерина Стихина. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following macroeconomic events. On Tuesday, the US will publish the Consumer Confidence Index data for May. Analysts suppose that the indicator rose by 1.8 points to 96 points compared to the previous months. According to the data prepared by the Conference Board in April, the Consumer Confidence Index declined to 94.2 points from 96.1 points in March. Analysts had anticipated a drop to 95.8 points. At the same time, the current situation indicator rose to 116.4 points from 114.9 points, whereas the expectations indicator slid to 79.3 points from 83.6 points. On Wednesday, the GDP statistics for the first quarter of the year will be revealed in Australia. According to the forecast, the indicator remained unchanged at the level of 0.6%. In the fourth quarter of 2015, the country's economic growth also totaled 0.6% compared to a 1.1% increase in the third quarter. Experts had forecast a climb by 0.4% in the given period. The GDP growth was mainly boosted by consumer spending that rose by 0.4% and state capital spending that increased by 0.2%. In the last quarter of the previous year, Australia's GDP grew by 3% on an annual basis. Besides, on Wednesday, the ISM manufacturing PMI figures will be released in the United States. Analysts expect an advance to 50.6 points. In April, the indicator grew less than in the previous period, increasing concerns over the U.S. economic slowdown in the second quarter. The ISM report reads that the U.S. manufacturing PMI decreased to 50.8 points from 51.8 points in March. Economists had expected a smaller drop to 51.4 points. At the same time, the new orders indicator fell, whereas the employment indicator showed a rise. Besides, the following macroeconomic data will see the light of day early next week. On Monday, Japan will release the retail sales data. Germany will report on the Consumer Price Index and Canada on raw material prices. On Tuesday, Canada will publish the GDP data for March and the US will unveil the personal spending figures. On Wednesday, China and the UK will report on the manufacturing PMI. You have watched Forex-training calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Екатерина Стихина. Stay tuned with us. See you later.